Think about the last phishing email that you almost fell for. It probably didn't have typos or a weird sender address like the ones that you can immediately recognize. It looked exactly like it was supposed to look because it was written by AI, and AI doesn't make those mistakes anymore. That's the shift that's happened in the last 10 years, and most of the tools people use to protect themselves haven't caught up with the time and the tech yet. On average, a person takes about 21 seconds to click on a malicious link once it lands in front of them. There just isn't enough time in that window to stop and manually check a domain, or to think twice about a link that's been shortened and could be pointing anywhere. Most existing detection tools rely on a single block list or a single database. So if a domain was registered yesterday and hasn't been reported yet, it just slips through. That's how a lot of the damage happens. That is why our team decided to create a solution for this. We built Astro AI because we felt that this problem should have a more reliable answer. Then does this just look okay to you? Astro AI is a web app and a browser extension that checks any link or email that you are unsure about and gives you a very trusted trust score between 0 and 100 based on real evidence sourced from multiple data sources. When you submit a link, we check it against four different threat intelligence sources at the same time, including Google Safe Browsing and multiple malware databases. We trace the link's full redirect path on our servers, so a shortened URL can't hide where it's actually taking you. A link is easy to detect, whether it's from any mail or any mail address. That's the goal with Astro AI.
Astro AI is built as an end-to-end phishing URL detection platform designed to combine real-time threat intelligence, machine learning, and explainable AI into a single AI detection pipeline. The front end is developed using Next.js and TypeScript, while the backend is implemented in Flask and Python. The platform is fully containerized using Docker, making deployment consistent across development and production environment. While a user submits a URL, Astro doesn't simply compare it against a blacklist. Instead, it performs live analysis by extracting 30 security and behavioral features directly from the URL and web page. These include lexical features such as URL length, domain entropy, suspicious keywords, URL shorteners, excessive subdomains, IP based URLs, and special character frequency. It also performs structural analysis by detecting redirect chains, hidden iframes, JavaScript redirect, and suspicious actions from external source. In addition, Astro collects domain intelligence using HTTPS scalability, SSL validity, DNS reputation, whois consistency, and domain registration age using RDAB database. Now, beyond a heuristic analysis, Astro integrates multiple real time threat intelligence providers to improve detection accuracy. Every scanned URL is verified against Google's Safe Browsing API, Google's largest phishing and malware intelligence service, OpenFish, which provides continuously updated phishing feeds. You can see the final technical implementation of this project, which is basically this is the front end of the project. And moving on to the later components, which specifies what kind of data set is used, what kind of model we have used in it, and how the detection pipeline runs. We also have the four databases that we are using, external libraries. Now I'm going to use a Kaggle's dataset that says that this URL is bad. It is from a real dataset which is reported by users. So we are going to consider this URL and then we are going to paste it into a security engine. Once we do that and the scanning process starts, you can see the pipeline as it is going to start, and then it is validating the URL, the ML model is running. As you can see, this is an extremely dangerous phishing URL. That's why the confidence score is given as 0. And you can see the AI reasoning on why this was flagged as 0. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the 30 curated set on how this is which of the links were, which of the features were considered as suspicious and which of the features were considered as safe. Based on that average, the model predicts the confidence score. Again, the data set which is given below on what kind of data we are using, what is the detection pipeline of it. See that the confidence score is 100 and the domain age of that URL is over 6 years. The AI reasoning and how the model has flagged it as a safe URL. You can see the 30 set features and the information that is below. Component of our platform is the FishGuard browser extension. which provides real-time email threat detection directly inside the user's inbox. While I click scan the last 15 inbox, the extension securely retrieves the most recent emails through the Gmail API and performs a local feature extraction before sending only the required metadata to a backend analysis engine. Each email or detection pipeline evaluates over 30 phishing indicators, including the sender's reputation, reply to, and return path mismatch, domain impersonation, display name spoofing, or there are multiple heuristic based security checks. Now, for example, the Dazzle email, it receives a high security score because the reply to and return path domain do not match the sender's domain. And the email reference is trusted by brands like Microsoft, Apple, and Facebook while originating from unrelated domains. Common indicators of phishing in business, common indicators of phishing or business email components.